my gosh! She was dead. All right, boys, she lives. Boys, I haven't drove this car in like 3 months and the shit was dead. So we're gonna take this hoe out because she needs to be driven really bad. And then tomorrow we're gonna be getting a new car. You have no idea how good this feels. Oh, jeez. Oh my gosh, dude. Dude, I need to drive this car. All right, I gotta hit y'all with a pole real quick because we really need one. I need that in my life right now. All right. Oh my gosh! Dude, I love this car. All right, let's give her the beans. Boys, you have no idea how much I've wanted to take this car out, and I just have not. It's been like 3 months since I've actually drove this bad boy, and I miss it every single time. Like, every time I get in this car, like, I just know it's the right car. Like, it just gets me so excited, even having it after 2 years. I think this is the longest car I've ever kept, which is kind of sad, but it's true. But I want to, like, talk about, so right now I'm about to go wash the car, and I kind of want to talk about what my plans might be with it and like what I've been kind of tossing around. So tomorrow I'm going to be picking up another car. I'm selling the Subaru. I haven't showed it on the channel, but like I've loved that car a lot too. It's been a great daily, but I want something cheaper so we can start building this and so we can start building the truck a little bit more, because I've been kind of going to town on that and kind of just need something a little bit cheaper so that I can like start really like putting more money towards it. And honestly start saving more money too, because I own a house, so if something breaks on that bad boy, the landlord's got to fix it. So all right, after I get this thing, so we're gonna go wash this car real quick, and then after I get that washed up, I kind of want to just talk about like what I've been like thinking about possibly doing. So I will see you when we get to the car wash. Boys, so we just finished cleaning the car finally. I've neglected this for like 3 months, like I said. So I literally brought it back from New York to New Jersey and then literally put this thing right in the garage. So yeah, we got it all cleaned up finally. Finally taking it out. Such a nice day. It's very warm today, but I kind of wanted to talk because you guys like these POVs, so I figured I'd do another one. So I'm kind of thinking about, for a second I was thinking about selling this car. I know I say like I never want to sell this and stuff, but I started thinking and I was kind of just like, I've been trying to build this truck. If you guys have watched those videos, I've been putting so much money into those that I've really neglected the Mustang, and I kind of don't really take it out very much because every time I take it out, I want to do things to the car, because that was the whole goal with this car, was to build it and make like 700 to the wheel. That's what I really wanted to do. But I think I've kind of changed my plans a little bit, and I'm kind of just like, so I was going back and forth and I was going to see what you guys were thinking, but I really want to grow this channel very bad. And I don't know if this is the platform for it or not. I really want to be known for having this car and building the car, but I think, so this is what I'm thinking. I either sell this car and then I try to get like a newer, like 13, 14 Coyote, and then we just slap a Whipple on there and like full bolt-ons and call it done and make a lot of power. Or do I keep this car, go full bolt-ons, show the progression of that? I'll get a dyno before I even do any of that stuff, and then start doing, you know, go full bolt-ons. After that, I'm thinking go Paxton 22 SL and literally just like make it look super clean, like make a super clean build and just kind of like keep it floating at that 500 to like 550 wheel horsepower, hopefully. and that would be the build. Like, we'll do that and then track the car a little bit, and like that'll be it for this. And then after that, we will get into like a C6 or something like that and try to like really build the shit out of that. So I'm like, should I be more conservative on the car, just get it built? And then I think 500 out of this car would be a lot of fun. So we could do that, call it done, and then you know, move on to something else and just keep this, just because I don't really want to get rid of the car. But I'm also like, if I'm trying to make this like a business, should I let the car go, we finish the truck, and then get something like really nice? So I'm kind of back and forth. I'm about to get a Focus ST tomorrow, so once we get that, I'm thinking about autocrossing that a little bit, but that's going to be my daily, so I don't plan on doing too much to it. But it does have a few things done to it already, but it's also yellow, so that's going to be cool. So we're building our all yellow garage 2023, so now we just got to paint the truck yellow, and then once the 67's done, which that's something else I was going to bring up, I don't know if I should sell the 67. I was thinking about it for a little bit. I really don't want to. Obviously, if you guys saw the other video, I went all the way to Kentucky to go get it. Quick pull. Just had to. But like I said, I went all the way to Kentucky to go get it, and I broke down multiple times, so it definitely was a headache, and it cost me a lot of money, and that car alone was a lot of money. So I really want to keep that car, but I know it's going to cost me a lot to build that car, and I don't know when I'm going to touch it, honestly, because I want to build this, and I want to finish the truck. Like, the truck's in pieces on my driveway, so like that's got to get done. So that's like the main concern right now, is finishing that. It's almost on wheels right now, so after that I might take a little bit of a break and then kind of start doing something else, but we'll see. Or saving up some money and then start like really trying to finish it. I might change my plans on it a little bit so that we can get it done a little bit quicker, and then over time I'll just like add things to it. But yeah, so like, I guess just let me know what you guys think. Like, should we dump this car? Should we keep it? I really don't know. I really want to keep it, and I think just go that Paxton route and just make a super clean build, and then move on to something else after that, just so that I can experience this car boosted. I really want to. That's been my goal with this, and I just love the car. Like, I really don't want to get rid of it. So I know most of you are probably going to be like, yeah, don't get rid of it if you love the car, but I'm also like, well, what's going to make the YouTube channel grow? Like, that's what I really want to do. I want to grow the YouTube, and eventually, like, if I found another one of these, you know, I could pick up another one. But it's definitely going to kill me a little bit getting rid of it. I'm going to be very sad. But that's the same thing with the 67 Fastback. I don't know how much content people are really going to watch on that. I don't think a lot of people really like build videos, it seems like, because I've been doing the truck, and it doesn't really pull in a lot of views. So this Mustang pulls in way more views than that, which I really thought it was going to do better. And it really sucks, because I've been putting so much money into it, so much time. Like, I literally work on the thing every day before work, and it's just like, I don't feel like I'm getting what I want out of it. I think once it's done, I'm going to be very happy. I'm very excited for that build, but I just wish it was pulling in more views, because this is really what I want to grow, and I really want to do this. So let me know what you guys think, and I guess we'll see. But I really want to grow. Like I said, I really want to hit that 1,000 subs. So if you guys can drop a like, comment, subscribe, it definitely helps me out. We're starting to grow a lot more, and I know it's possible. It's just going to take one video. That's all I need, is one video to blow up, and we can do it. So let me know what you guys think. I know this wasn't like too crazy of a video. Maybe I'll go do some more POV right now, but I don't really know how much more to do. But I appreciate it. If this is the end of the video, I'll show you a quick walk around of the clean car now. It was a super quick wash, but something's better than nothing. We're going to get a paint correction pretty soon on this thing. My buddy's gonna help me out, and we're gonna ceramic coat it. So I'm very excited about that, because I've had the car like over 2 years now. So really want to like make it nice, but I've neglected it way too much. I don't drive it nearly enough either. I think I bought this car with like just about 26,000 miles, and we're only at 30,800. And the only reason why it's that high is because I've drove it from New York to New Jersey a couple times, and because I had crashed one of my cars, and I only had 2 at the time. So I was dailying this for a little bit until I was like trying to get something else. So yeah, I'm very excited to see what happens, and I hope you guys support the channel, see the growth. I hope we're getting better at this. I'm trying. It's very hard sometimes to make content, but we are out there trying to grind. Follow the TikTok. I'm trying to grow that too, and let's get it. 1,000 subs 2023. Very excited. So here is a quick walk around of the car. Thanks for the support.